Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Zodiac sign Aries with the fire elements, Lola Baby. Nagpapakilala, isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Yan, pasensya na sa background. At ang asawa lang is mahina ang tenga, ha? So, let's see the energies surrounding you, okay? Timeless reading po ito. Let's see the energies surrounding you sa buong buwan ng April, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the judgment. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the Mars. Okay? The Saturn. Wait muna ha. Ang the judgment has something to do Mars, Pluto. Okay? So, it needs a since narito, April is the month of Taurus, okay? Venus. So, it's all about focus, the shift, the revelation, transition, transformation, spring, okay? Since Uranus is in Gemini, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, nagtataguan, okay? Taguan ito ng tinatawag na sikreto. Okay? There is something. A secret is meron kayong mga hindi nalalaman. Kumbaga dito'y tagong maigi. Yan ha. Yan. Pinagtataguan kayo ng sikreto. So you have to use your intuition. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Leo, okay? The strength, okay? Maybe, ibig sabihin nito, you will find the truth, okay? It's like, hindi ito pwede. Kailangan ito'y malantad. Kailangan ito'y maisabulat, di ba? Malaman, mag-emerge, di ba? Kung ano ito. Meron ditong, it's like, tagong-tago para hindi mo malaman. Okay? Maaaring sa love relationship, family, investment, networking, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, naka-reverse ang tinatawag na the Gemini. Okay? The Gemini ba is No, that is not the Gemini. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na the Mercury. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, are you dealing? Okay? Since ito'y tinatawag na the planet of Gemini and Virgo, are you dealing with the Virgo? Yan ha? Okay. So, meron dito, it's like, nakasara ang bibig. Yan ha? They don't want to talk. Okay? Kung sino ito. Yan ha? They don't want to talk. As much as possible. Pinipigilan nilang huwag magsalita. Maaring huwag ibulalas ang sikreto na ito. Okay? Yan, no? Kita nyo. Ito ang tinatawag na the month of April. Okay? The Taurus Virgo. Yan, ha? Okay? The Taurus Virgo. The Taurus Venus, di ba? Meron dito ang tinatawag distance. Yan, distansya. Okay? Panlalamig. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito, it's like no participation, no talking, di ba? Yan. No involvement. Yan ha. So nakikita dito, yung tinatawag na your strength, their strength. Okay? Yan lang ang nakikita kong energy surrounding you. Okay? So, let's see. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles. It will be discovered. Lumabas. Diba? Whatever is this, it will be discovered. Yan. Kita mo. Katuwaan. It's like tinatawag, joy to the world is joy. Yan. Parang Pasko. It will be discovered. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag din for some of you, kaya lumabas ito, you have to invest wisely. Okay? Kung mag-i-invest kayo, halimbawa sa negosyo, halimbawa sa networking, entrepreneur, invest wisely. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's about your limitation. Diba? Yan, okay? Let go of your worries. If you think na, kumbaga dito, baka nag-iisip ka na baka malugi, baka mabangkarap, magkaroon ng tinatawag failure. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag let go of your worries. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, get what you want. Yan. Get what you want. Okay? So, there is a sweet success. Yan ha. Whatever is this, okay? Meron ditong tinatawag na ruins, di ba? It's like tinatawag failure from the past, okay? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag na meron ditong it's about key. Yan ha, yan. The key. You need the key, okay? Yan. Para ma-unlock, okay? Kung naman itong tinatawag na kailangang mabunyag na katotohanan, malaman na katotohanan, okay? So, you trust your angels, okay? Trust your angels. Kasi bumaliktad, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you trust, call your angels, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, you are dealing, ito kasi, kaya narito yung magkakasama, the Gemini, the Libra, and the Aquarius. Are you dealing with the Aquarius? Are you dealing with the Virgo? Diba? So, it's more ang nakikita ko dito, di ba? Whatever is this. Meron na ditong lamat. Meron ditong nagkaroon ng lamat. A relationship, maybe partnership, maybe networking, nagkaroon ng lamat. Yan ha, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, kaya narito ito, di ba? Ito. Yan ha. Tinatawag na buhayin mo. Buhayin mo ang iyong, it's like, buhayin mo ang sarili mo. Buhayin mo ang iyong appetite. Di ba? Something like that. Kaya narito ito. Di ba? Yan o. The strength. Ibig sabihin ito, buhayin mo ang lakas mo. Okay? Your appetite. Buhayin mo. Yan ha? It's like, dito yung tinatawag, pinanghihinaan ka ng loob. Di ba? Buhayin mo. Okay? That's the only key I see for you. So let's see the message or the advice from the universe. Yan kita ninyo. Ibig sabihin nito, yan na. Okay? Let go of your worries. Okay? Rich, yan meron dito gains. Okay? Meron dito fruit of the labor. Fruits of labor. It's about investment. Ikaw ito. Fruit of labor's investment. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, yan kung dito ito, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, let go of your worries, okay? Yan. Alisin mo ang tinatawag limitation. Don't limit yourself, di ba? Magkakaroon ditong sweet success, okay? Kung halimbawa yung mga kaso ito, di ba? Kung halimbawa sabihin na natin kung sino ang mga kausap na ninyo dito, no? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, yan, magkakaroon ng success. Yan, So, ibig sabihin nito, kaya lumabas ang tinatawag na the Emperor, okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the Capricorn. Diba? Yan. Narito ang the Capricorn. So, it's about discipline. Okay? For some of you, maybe it has something to do about not having discipline. Okay? Focus. Discipline. Okay? So, thank you very much.